sanibona ngisho boy kule mathi phela ngesikheva ngazi ukuthi amawethu amangibangisa ngifanda but anyways sibuyile Soweto Shibobo magazine sinandi sirek pholile futhi sibuyile la ekhaya to this legacy mafuna ukubamba ezibandayo ufuna ukuhlisa nje umshiso zokala nalabo abashisa zokwathola khona upstairs thank you yes today we covering indaba yelokhuzana Soweto Derby sibuyele sithi masandawana kwenzeke nasazi sibuye sithi Hugo Bros reaction to what Brandon Peterson is it a yes or a no asazi but so boy fele mawuthi wami ngayingitroduce uSiyagotse the general ngibuye ngithi umavocha izinto zakhona correction that way kanjalo bafethu ibonile Soweto Derby izolo like before ecala asengiyazi ukuthi uzongiphendula uthini but sengizokubuza anyways it's just a formality bocabanga ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani before icala igame
bengicabanga ukuthi iChiefs izoza nesibongo sokuthi lezinja lezi angeke zisidle VV and kule situation iPirates ebuyo neSundowns yabanye bavuka as sonke siyazi mafenzi Chiefs abaya they rather iSundowns win league than Pirates so I think nama player we were petulant ukuthi yazi number 1 and 2 so but stay they won't just walk away easily yabo but hey so bona ngi6 ukuthi kwenzakalani nizo decide ukuthi vele asikhuluma ngayo le but yeah
later on so wena mabo bobuza mina ukuthi mina ngibona
but
okay mina ngitshela ivar I'm just going to be honest igame lazo lengithusile because looking at iFormer Kaizer Chiefs yes we picking up like on and off you understand so we picking up ning resona I'm expecting ukuthi once win ga draw and so going to yesterday's game I was a bit nervous and I was hoping that Kaizer Chiefs go rapid just in case if Pirates are equalize we can be able to hold back our Lions yabo and it happened and I was like yes so police makakora vie what's offside nga celebrate I was like good shot ayizolo bengafuna ukudliwa empeleni
and I wena iChiefs the way bedlala ngakhona bengafuna ukuwina and bengafuna ukudliwa
beyisetlela for a draw
yeah be right for a draw because of ubheke noma iPirates ikorile iseba waste isikhathi akumele bathatha ama throw in akumele bathatha ama corner akumele benzile uPeterson sekayalala uyangithola so bowubona ukuthi they'd rather this score is fine we are fine with the score asenze kube 90 minutes baswela sibafuna khona and Joe iteam eyi-1 befuna ukuwina yabo iteam enye befuna ukudisturba nje betenzakala phezulu ukuthi hayi and ungathola ukuthi ama player nawo iChiefs angene lapha sijilini ukuthi hayi Sundowns izowi shine Richards Bay
singeke kanjalo
singasho
kanjalo
hayi
ngayibeka ukuthi assist
nyala baby yeah nakhona ama opinion
laba alaba yasebazi bazozwinela bazoba mnandi into yabizolala mara in terms of gameplay mina Chiefs
Chiefs
big team
it wasn't there
beka babanga gameplay bebafuna ukukhaba umremi wa police no really kuphela
yazi mina ngibonini kule game la izolo manje before iqala igame ngibone i-formation ye-Chiefs okay obvious Pirates vele libidlala le system abayidlalayo we know ukuthi lineup ye-Pirates izoba njani Chiefs ishintshe game plan yabo bathi ngeplan vele iplan yabo was to neutralize in front three Pirates forget uMbuthuma front three
yeah lesiyaziyo vele relay ya police limremi
and uplay kila kadlala vele so you know like ele dangerous so tlamelo yetseng tlamelo neutralize and we neutralize tlamelo yetseng istebe combination ya bona so that utlo etsang utlo counter the plans ya bona Chiefs overloaded the middle to start with nedlala 3-5-2 system so obviously the wing backs ya bona cross limnyana notlamele badlale box to box akere so ntho e nda gore no ba bone go santse di tlo go shaka speed if ba gona re akwa
o gutla ke botsa
go tlo ba jive because of bana le hoto bana le mremi ke speed se bana le speed bana le riding a police ke speed phakathi vele ga ama sighting and you know really o gona break di window ba dla ka ke center back 3 so riding eo ba bone ga never was funny but me ba spana ke mo world riding di Ndlovu so zino bona Ndlovu
he was physical bro
he was physical task yayi lelo shut down umfukeni ene re bone ntone ke tshabela gore o tlo bana le play le mala
and etsa
and you know re ka se re ke la leng e grand go like di play di matsa re batlo enjoy game ka fela rona nna ne ke expect gore Chiefs ya isa game ko Pirates ila team little nna tobo re dlale great ayibona
le bone mremo khawatile jwa
mremi o khawatile ke di start
no wa tswentseng a khawatsa ke state ona le mona makateng immediately a qeta tsebe ke manatlera polo o tlerile polo itse a qeta o balance a imisa lento enkela twist
wabo so like ke yona riding outcome e tswileng go tabi
yeah
because when the fact of Chiefs approach ya bona and then the coach we shield riding le ata buset ukuthi it's said ukuthi team a big in Chiefs is celebrate a draw. They should be like disappointed because of their big team, big brand. So like they were like, yeah, yes, to us it's a loss. We lost 2 points. We are disappointed. Pelatina say approaching game mentality to team. So we win. That's the no corner. So we win. So a match mentality. So it's a marapu mumbre da. It is stabilize ilona Pirates. I plan ya. Because of samazi ukuthi okay sharp phela bayosan uyakanda nasina plan mreme azwala ya for substitute nasina plan yes ukenya masonga then for some fucking side don't call la di 3 kara ke ntse side
ana mina ngwe clear coach le akekho mina
ana plan
kumele afake Van Rooyen
straight
athathu sibili
am push up front that's it
phela
rena le di wings baya
like wow ufaka mfethu utito mfethu ekazoba grand ngabo sekenawo ngithola because ukwazi ukukhambisa i-game down manje lapha besingafuni umuntu ozokhambisa i-game down sifuna umuntu ozobeka abalanda atake speed nani
so the reason why Larry okay via the outcomes to getting the results somehow one it was because of the coach decision making when it comes to substitution
even on Chiefs side same thing
okay bafethu mina okay back to Diva Glento le ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs beba celebrate it's a big team they celebrating 1-1 into yokuqala la sibuya khona nishaya ngakhi 3 nishaya 3 into esoyilwela vele noma sifuna ukuwina already sesiyazi ukuthi iPirates is on form and the Pirates when it comes to Kaizer Chiefs when it comes to high tempoed game Kaizer Chiefs is lacking
they won't match
you understand what I'm saying so us getting that draw it's a consolation ukuthi iPirates asiphindanga
ashaya
mara nakhona asiluzanga game you understand that's why we celebrated I celebrate anga ukuthi yeah mina did celebrate leyo draw le because kokuqala into bengiyazi going to that match bengazi ukuthi iChiefs one slip up we losing the game and we almost lost the game thanks to Brendan Peterson we almost lost the game you understand so yeah so if ubona uBrendan Peterson aspana kanje uyifan uthukile lapha ukuthi phela iPirates phela uya ngami mangabe ishaya 4 or 5 first half ukuya ngami if it wasn't for Brendan Peterson kunovuma lapha ya
then it says a lot about defensive Chiefs or Brendan Peterson
if it's reflect the role
ayenze la save awayenzile izo because of first half because could have scored 3 goals
3 or 4
1-12 yeah or 4 Brendan Peterson usho wapi yangithola well okay Mbuthuma sazo
beka Mbuthuma
akuzile sikhala bisapo Mbuthuma
yena uzoyithola isystem nje kumele babe patient naye but then
ubani
Mbuthuma kumele babe patient noma futhi sesa ba patient naye ufike waso
why bangabanga patient ngora dipana
and why bangamfaka
why bangabanga patient ngora dipana favoritism just like bringing in favoritism
but then
the coach just covered in favoritism and the favoritism yakhe yesidisile izolenza iChiefs ukuthi ikona because of leyo nemthajeli ikapa umbatha negijima noduba kanye hlaba umbatha laphaya
lapha I think each and every team in a game plan yayo bayazi ukuthi let's say for an example bayazi ukuthi no listen right sometimes ungeza ntwana yami ngazokala ntwana but then again into ngisho ukuthi each and every team bayazi ukuthi okay Kaizer Chiefs is fair right but kunalabo bathanda ukuphuma emasidini esazi ukuthi bayagijima phela uduba lapha bebazi ukuthi ukuphuma kwakhe lapho uhambile namthatha bekathi ufuna ukunceda kanti ungena phezulu kweplayer lakhe
emfethu sibonile ngombaba
Makasheba
igijima yawo slide take
into ngisho ukuthi already Shailen Tekile ke namthatha lo Shailen Tekile ke already ay committee lo shwile bolo phela Shailen Tekile a connect le ball
lesisako lo kayisha Tekile because of bathana
nakayitsa le foul exactly so already bafethu in the crucial stage ya league.
Yeah.
Ne? And as players, listen, yeah, only GC Nomchacha is fine. And then Rona Korile, not because of him.
It's
yeah, no, because of we created that goal. Thank you. So intervention we in the crucial stage Elokuzan PSL. So players they train by all means we need to save okay, we're not conceding any goals. We need to score as many goals as we can. We do not have to make mistakes. You understand? So unamtsajela bafethu singakhuluma sithi hey undlisi lapha mfana it was a split of a sec ukuthi you need to take this decision. That's what he thought of doing. Then he went there, he capped his player, then we went on.
Do you know why, my friend?
Why?
It's because of what I said last week.
What?
I can't experience ukudlala kule stage list. I can't experience ukudlala kule sikhathi silike sokuthi sigijima silike. Ucabanga ukuthi mfana sisaso number 14 siyadlala nje neKaizer Chiefs. Iplayer bel experience te womkwena bekangashaya lathekile la.
Bekezokhavi space.
Bekangeka shaya lathekile womkwena. Ubonile ukuthi kuneplayer ligijimisa lo team mina ngiyokhavi space.
So ama-player akhula kanjani ama-player if you don't trust them? Ama-player akhula kanjani if you don't trust them ukuthi bangashaya ispan mabafaka emagame na kanje?
That's what I'm saying. At some point, you don't need to put these players at this stage.
But how are they going to grow? That's the question I'm asking.
They will grow, but not at this stage.
We can go back. No, wait. No, we can. Okay, wait. Let's not be biased. Let's not be biased. Khona manje urile njengoba coach uRivero ne. Urile bamfake ku deep end. Bekana experience ukuthi ukudlala ku PSL, right? Bamfakile wa perform urile, it was pop-ups. But now because it's Namtachela, he's not fit enough to be competing with a game kanje. It's a no.
Thank you.
Why not? Why?
It's a no. You are not able to compete here.
But now you have to trust the player and put them in the deep end so that you see it. The reason why Bamfagile. The reason why Bamfagile which I'm Temba.
First game. First game you make me shoot like games like Santans. First league game be so. Udlalile da. Akazange senzile for goal. Uthe urile bamga ichance uispanisile yena bomgayile yokucala ka ispanisa. Bayagayeni awuspanisi. Richard Spey uyasidlisa kumele ushaye isosha.
Okay, Bobo.
Izolo wenza the same thing.
Bobo.
So why are we still trusting
Bobo.
you?
So iLokuzan le yangilahisa le. Ucoach ufake le yantwana le because he believed ukuthi angayenza umehluko.
Awuthami uzobuyela back to my point.
Yeah.
Favoritism. That is why coach acabanga ukuthi uMbuthuma yenza whatever.
Favoritism is everywhere. We can debate, agree to disagree. It's everywhere, bruh. But now, don't think. Okay, do not question. You will question Lentole and you won't get answers. But so look, I'm filled. Look, who's ready?
That is why it's engaged. As out there. Favoritism is killing Orlando Pirates. If people see favoritism, Makaule beganya kashayeli yathekile uthiyana.
We shared the spoils.
I'm telling you for free. Utebo mkwena beganya kashayeli yathekile ya. I'm telling you for free. Bekangeke. Doesn't make sense. Now as a player, lo muntu lo udlala ama game ku PSL udlale for the longest time to know ukuthi lo muntu une speed ngeke ngishayeli yathekile. And kunomuntu wami umgijimisayo. Does it make sense ukuthi ngishayeli yathekile? Uyakhava uyale awuthiyama. Ulidlalile idisk. If kunomuntu ogijimisa iplayer la wena uyabona ukuthi mangayale nami ngizosikhona ukusimba lo muntu lo uyelani leyo shaya ithekile.
Oh, but God.
Make it make sense. I need ukuthi experience what. You just need to use your common sense. Umbathu ugijima nomuntu ndlala ni2. Umkhavela ngithi mandlala i6 nakhavela no1 makhuphule 1 khavela umuntu.
And it's a professional player, ne? complete professional player.
Exactly.
Yeah, I think on
Why?
the point because of if ever I can understand the substitute Gambato, Makaul.
I think ubekalimele.
Makhawula wayithi jwang. Yeah.
Bekalimba.
Anhlanhla ilimp ngiyibonile ne but then again uMakhawula there were moments la ubona ukuthi you sort of like sloppy. Yabona igame ePirates mayahamba every time Paul masuka mazongena la esenze malifika ku igame yami ya relax and already umrembi that's why bekahlala offside sekathatha irun ubheka ukuthi makazothola ibhola la manje ucoach lapha uBadu into ngibonile ukuthi ubonile ukuthi if la emidleleni angilungisa indaba kaMakhawula izongikhawathi phela uMakhawula izolo for mina boku Ox ukasifanela no Ox Makhawula mthoshala ngiyona ushaya forward pass
Bakabona ngale incident kaMakhawula nemtatshela nakuletha difference
better decision making
because of now already kimang sibisi salute position yayo kena uceda ngurisa ball ele tjoka abantu ekhipsa ku real of which is not tlamele be fall but then it didn't happen it's okay so tse di khipsa ball di tsang
foul no tshwantse be ball ba ikhipsitse nkorile ka body weight ka body weight no tshwantse be foul
okay so akusifoul
yabana yazibobo mamela yazikwenzakalani yabona lento ayikhulumayo ukuthi ngizobonisa the very same foul iyenzakela u referee kayijaja the very same thing yazifana nani kunala igame ibhola yangithi yabona ibhola masuka from ku goal kick goal kick obviously ma compete ne defender uyi striker reference compete defender iyakuphusha i-defender ngithi awaljaji lelo bhola makithe mase ngilibona ilokhuzana uChina makalikhathela kanje njengoba sophusha lentwana le uMbuthuma he was soft kuyajajiwa uma songa kunala emidlilini kunala uma songa emidlilini la hayi ungathi uRevel Chiefs
bekaphushana nomsima
mamela ake kwakabona ngifuna ukubonisa ama highlights walento ekhulumayo ukuthi lento le ekhuluma ukuthi ulokhuzana ilokhuzana urile le nto le ayifoul le game be physical into yokuqala it was physical so listen I never said
uNdlovu noma
uNdlovu beka physical to a
game beka physical
yeah to a certain player
if you listen to okay
if
the commentator is Zoti this game it's a clean game and it's physical kimang referee kona Zolile kimang Zolile akungile Tom wa South Africa basically that's what I'm generalizing
judges offside
ovela ngithatha so akungile Tom akafuna ukukhipha amakhadi unnecessarily because le game leyabekazwe emosha
unnecessary
ebafethu the foul ne leader and the game was physical la no game nesi physical.
Do you agree with me ukuthi Mabube kumele athole red card?
Ubani?
Mabube.
Kuphi?
Watandrile alifasi.
Bafethu mthana nabantu bafethu never. No.
Don't agree.
Sibongile, ne. Let's make this scenario. Ki player ebone?
Robert.
Robert akhe Robert. Lebo mabu udopile ball nahana ka ball. Wathama kom
why?
Uchathi macala.
Okay,
angithi ushilo wathi smosh isikhathi. Sibambe ibhola. Asifuna usithatha ibhola ngishayile ku play yena ngithola. Kuze ubani uma siwangayi uthi yambamba uyahalo retaliate uyahalo. And ma retaliate kumele ama player pharisala uthi ya step over sekaphezulu play. Angazi uthathile ibhola ngithi uthathile ibhola thina besenza time wasting manje leyo uthi red card because umuntu umchita bampushile bekathi ubalance uzobhalansa kuphi lapha kusele umuntu we1
okay
hayi
why mabuya na
time wasting
yeah
exactly
ki foul in self le ki caution wa ka
awu baba ki foul awusoko waste nako wena awushabona exactly so yeah it's a caution waste nako it's not a caution we wasted time it's fine we got that 1-1 it's all good we shared the spoils
hayi le korile
umodi
umodi kunalaba jejele Pirates wakhaba ibhola azange ngikhiphe yellow card
lalisale
yeah
time wasting body time wasting body
urile lapha ngase 18 yellow card akayikhipanga
umenzeni
umkhabile
arile ntshaka nelokhawathi
no it's bad for South African football
emfethu yazifana na yipi kunale bayikhalelayo lapha ke D-line da mo khoneng mo Ndlovu oyilenda
uNdlovu.
mo fitla nteng o ka ile ka bolo ba penalty
Qadile ka bolo.
o qadile bolo o shayile bolo re ka yetsa no re ka fetsa di highlights no shayile bolo shayile bolo
bekumele kube penalty ku Flavi.
baba ulo kuzani uzo ngokumele vele kube penalty ngokumele kube penalty izolo vele akusi penalty siqale ngebhola shaya ibhola wazoyibeza wazoyibeza shaya ibhola oqala before sofika ku relay shaya ibhola qale ngomuntu wodwa
Mina what I can say is Urile is a big player.
he is a big player we're not denying that makusalayo
Uyenze a big team. Ukuthi makabamba ibhola. The opposition team ama opponents am suffocate. Pero Urile beka makabanda kai 3.
namanga
Bebamvalele space and then Ndlovu will come.
Umabuwe uNdlovu.
Baba urile ukuze sibone ukuthi uma player 3 ngesikhathi esayidini second half ngoba active ngoba batlontsha kimanga bansithe manga bansithe manga phela kana basenza ko 10 no sinali player tse 3 tse mmakile
Nelly 2.
exactly jwanong ke traffic ngwanka yona ekintshwe ke tshong uri jwanong lento le bafethu ikanje ama team they play against each other angithi ushilo na wathi kwamele si sterilize le 3 le masingaqeda ngale 3 kuphelile right maphuma umremi iPirates asekho stabilized sele unstable yasikapanga umuntu manje ngitsifuna ukubonisa ukuthi if we close this 3 and mind you mfana it's difficult ukuthi uma abantu abayi3 aba okay actually 2 is on form umremi angengimbali but uyaspana uyangithola but these two you for matching these two phela mazothi simaka nga3 simakurile nga3 usala nobani lokhu za
usala nga2
police shona libatla tshotso re libatla hayi start odlala ndo
ukhala 7 defender utshela uthi
bafethu le
say bayikhulume before bangene ground umdusha bala ane noNdlovu bayiringa la ukuthi ntwana wena makurile ane umhlaba uyakhumbula urile maka injured bakhethe bani squadini for real
There's a replacement.
Ushaba.
Ubani? Ushaba.
Umdusha bani.
Uthi what die.
So uringe noNdlovu bahlaba le imfumukiyana ngesquadini.
Bafethu amaskandalo aku Pirates behind closed rooms asazi. Ilento bayikhulumayo.
Makoke yazenza i-credit mina ngika Peterson uphuvile.
Mini credit ngika Ndlovu.
Mina Peterson
Spanile Ndlovu.
No.
Spanile.
Ndlovu.
Spanile Ndlovu. Yabona lobo physicality lo bakho.
Ndlovu ufuna ezifunani.
Spanile boys. Spanile. Sinanda bana mapass. Ifana lento ukuthi striker bathi kwamele sale score. A score strike no assist no kenza sinokumaka makusala. Udlalile boy. Dlalile boy.
Uye noMabuwe, thangisiphiye.
Dlalile boy.
And mfana Mabuwe ngimthembile. Yazi Mabuwe ngikutshela ukuthi uzocontrol i-midfield ye-Chiefs. Grand.
Bangeke
Makara ngibonile ukuthi hayi ngide ngile abafuni ukudlalela ukuyowina igame.
Yeah, badlala
we know
igol lelifikile sharp batholeni.
Do you know as mina I love ama team ayenza so.
Yeah.
A disturb yeba number 1 no number 2 league. Mara don't make it one sided. Do it naku Sundowns.
Mfethu yabona wayithwana lendi denge. Yabona mina ngitshela iva njengoba ngithi angifuni ukuluza ngale game ePirates. Ne game eSundowns angifuni ukuyiluza. Ne and nina kibathu iwin. Le game amabani nekbathu iwin. It was unfortunate I couldn't win it. Cause ntwene ke shebile mabani ska ke tshore. Already mfethu uthi ba ya ko gaming go shebane le. So uthi and a re tlo bua ka taba hore Kaizer Chiefs e comfortable mo di mabolo that's be rekak so to say that but yeah Pirates mfethu they move the ball in the quick transition pinpointing pass like mfethu you can name everything then we come to Chiefs what is it that you can name into bayenzile engqona izolo ilento lokupress ukumaka ba press ukuthi kwabele bafike yabona ipressing lapha ekahle kahle ispanele cause immediately kunala njengokutshela ngoMakhawulo ukuze bamkhiphe uMakhawulo ibhola malifika kuMashaya pressing amabhola mostly beswa disturb kuye uyangithola so keeper it was a bad substitution he was maybe ucoach bokamele maybe athi kumbuyise game nokatshela amagents ukuthi angithi yize lilo uMakhawulo vele udinga omunye umuntu ophezulu ukuthi amtshele ukuthi mntwana you doing this and that lungisa la igame lizoba efficient You understand? So ukumkhipha because ubone enza 1 or 2 mistakes. Already mamkhipha ufaka uNamtshela uNkosini njengoba nisho. Ukuthi uNamtshela lapha he could have read the game ukuthi okay nangu umjito uhambile ethi ngikhave space. But he went there, he launched this because it's a kill. Then we managed njengo Elokhuzana Tom and Jerry yabona sakaya sadla. But then again
we assistant coach, goalkeeper coach lapha eChiefs aside. Itshela uDubu ukuthi don't shoot.
Namfana like lena nekisaka shoot. No, yazi wenzeni? Phela uChina uDuba bokwamele makaqeda ukuliphusha, makazongena eboxini. Lapha bokwamele unleash fast because makaphusha futhi uChina bese kavale engele. Bengasana chance ukulikora lapho ukulifaka la eroofini. And uChina ndoda yamazi ukuthi ama reflex wakhe ndoda yangithola. So into I think whatever they did well ukuma nje ukulela umela ile peak waphasa uLokhuzana uModi wadla uModi mfana ukutshela noma beliya kuwe bengicanga ukuthi uzolimeza
Modi ifuna nifana nalo off
cause lapha yabonile analo off mfana nalimo white wetsa la counter ntwana yo la ngibhorile mfana counter attacker space ju
Modi
watseba ukuthi Pirates diyamatha mfethu but bakayi game unalo yajika uphasa ibhola emuva vie counter 2v2 mfethu besithukile madoda understand
bafaka ushaba uModi libela ngadlala uleko bambeke side information eChiefs nje izolo
indoda lena ngiconfusing
umuntu obuya ku-injury
Lilepo mfana bekangekho.
Lilepo Modi Lilepo uModi uOxy okay limabuena le office nyana mfethu angikantshwe ke batla angikantshwe ke batla ngana exactly so
that's why ngithi for
because of he knows that midlinda
for ukuthi afaka uOx noNdlovu noMabuwe mina ngisho ukuthi okay uOx uzobagadela ukuthi laba yadlala
nami into bengibhekile
uNdlovu uwe destroyer lo uye kumele abadlaliswe
kahle sinshaya ngedecoy nina sinshaya ngedecoy
uOx bokumele ahlale lapha adlali play abadlalisi bokumele kube huyo badlalisa so uMabuwe asakhona nohlamela adlalisa
yeah ama Oxy he can't even combine 2-3 passes you like
no problem
come on bra
kuyona inkinga
andanto lo nowathi rishayele ka decoy because everyone was expecting uri Kimang Oxy adule deep and I know the nyaka bo coach bam switch kuyona nto kathile because not once adule deep hayi baba wenza the mistakes ebhayi onalibo awathena uphasa ball okuba ihapesa yo alamfana nkaka kena ka TV ke shampa amchikisa I don't
elamfikela mo sibilibila zomisa khona
and bathi lemo ali Peterson uSpan mo ayirinka left la muli
wasivile izolo yo
kahle nje
let's try 1-4
first half
emona one on target
ina 7
yo Masbuya futhi I think it was how many on target 7 no like second half sengikhuluma ngefull stats Elokhuzana full match nearly 2 or 3 somewhere there
idlala ngecount because of the new Pirates my pity police kaTesla izoya
nabe bafuna ukwenza sho ukuthi Pirates ayikori
exactly
kintswene ke batla ngokorebeli kintswene ke batla gokorebeli noma le ka equalizer ka tsebo re tlisa nakonyana yo re tla bamba re waste nako mama you need to be honest in faith you need to be honest
badlale ngakhona
need to be honest
cela balicovele la game le labalise
Sundowns
mina ngingayisho
abalithathe the way badlale
ngakhona bafethu
iChiefs win 5 games in a row into emnandi yeza come is coming
5 games
into
I stopped you
olatsha bana litro but
another thing eleki win so mamela isora ile la beef la tseba go beef la territory
i6 is Wednesday I think
yeah the Wednesday when before the Monday
anyway
so kahle bafethu ikanje lento le sileli Soweto
must come to Soweto
hayi mfana uzongilanda unkokotela eroomini dog angishaya 3
bazoyenza into right akusiko kuphela maka mina still say ukuthi like yabona
formation emabani
ephethe iskiya so decide now that vele kwenzeka le nto yenzakale
emabani
just be see right off and then yenze uPirates no Sultans even
nepulukwane mfana epulukwane back on target back to back that's why ke re mfana opula kiltshela ke re kusazodlalwa
And
Linteliri sana skakadiski ayina therefore noma ngingasho amagoli ayi7 engaki makumohlangane neteam ukuthi nayo ifuna phela khona manje we competing each and every team, okay, not each and every team. Mazulu King Tsetokotla Sekari they are relegated bo cheaper ling they're competing for a spot of qualifying ukuthi at least next season babe ku PSL. Some others they're competing for a top 8. Some others are competing for that position 3 and 4. You understand? We competing. We competing. We competing. We competing. We competing. That was the highlight of everything. We competing. I'm not cutting anything and I'm not buying any scale. They competing. I'm not getting anything. They are competing. Pass. We competing. The highlight was, the emphasis was competing. They competing, we're competing. As much as Paralorona Shebang Amazulu Ata, we're competing for that position 3. And it's not like Mazulato Kalama Kodi, Mikito is like number 9. The number 4. We're competing. We're competing. Exactly, I can tell you. We're competing. And I know, I want to know. Lindo. We're competing for second position, but now it's not possible. You understand? But if this one's the Eliza, the Lala, we get a pagati. Why did you get that?
Number 2. Yeah, 6.
Oh, you mean? You mean? I get to Salumin. When I go to Salumin, you go to Salumini. Yeah, I mean, I'm saying,
that's not Wednesday. The Chiefs, nothing a win.
Nothing a win, so win. I'm not nothing a win.
Sundowns,
entirely confident.
Sundowns, the Chiefs is over 50 points. 50
yeah,
something.
Oh, natural 47.
47.
Over 50.
I take Sheba League invest got 158. I was like, fuck it, you're not going up.
She, the Sundowns. Bazobona ukuthi
Thina silibile suwina ngayini.
Hayi thina silibile sewa.
Lokho wina. Ukhoza yenza ama decision right when it comes to substitution.
Akafaka bona.
Okay, wabethu ayisivali so ethodaba ngeke siphele. So debate asizobuya uJesu. Manje sifuna ukungena ku Richards Bay ne Sundowns. Okay, before we actually go there, like I want to understand psychologically ukuthi as we like reaching like I think there's 5 or 6 games, final stages. Mawucabanga wena you were once a player ne. Mazofika ku final bofila kanjani? Happy, anxious. Yabona izinto one. So when mawucabanga ukuthi what's actually going through emakhanda noma player. Yes, they're professional players, but mawucabanga as a player, as you used to be a player, kuhamba nemakhanda noma.
Do you know what's going to mess up their minds, especially our Pirates players? Ukuthi bazobreak spell. I think iqalile abakhawathi.
Na izolo uChayini I think bathe if bekashayile a clean sheet because of a break clean sheet yakabani bani. No, like babuka ka Pirates, I think la Pirates. Yeah, we active
yeah. So yabo into engisho ukuthi now it's going to mess up your mind ukuthi ngizobreak record laka
it messes up your mind, right?
Yeah.
It messes up your mind.
Now these final games, I think the Pirates say paid to food. But I know, I think the Sundowns paid.
Yeah, that's how it is. So mfuna ukubuyisela ukuthi kwamele sicabangele nama player. Amele sicabangele nama player. Amele sicabangele embethu mamela. Kinso okay,
sure.
Kimu Raibu happy. Udlalile ball. Anofitla final. First lineup ufila jwa.
Yeah.
Obviously akbathi mamela emaphila angaqedi maqala oba anxious.
Yeah.
And obviously ntwa ubathi uyetha to perfection.
Yeah.
And once we nana jwa already so floppy. Sharp. Refeted. Akbathi disappointed defense akabobo batlo ring I don't deserve to play. Right? Sharp. Kyakena and lona ba first okay di play la cava ntshwete thema ina go game ayitlo ba grand ana sanza nego ne first touch okay na phone game ayicala first touch angayithoka grand kyatseboka ke tlo ba sharp but once obviously in the back of my head ke ntse lo re ke setetse yona sometimes yang khawat sometimes yang spanel once yashapa yakahata clash so ke lose bo 10% ya that confidence in ignalona wangithola and if Steve ahlala to repule ntwana hayi libala ka reng le fitila re it's on couch bana ke to question gore ma o tsaka reng a ke na le ngwana mo gaming like there's a lot going through in your mind so hence I'm saying gore let's give the players a benefit of the doubt ba fetso ga ba kene ka ralbon they facing to when you might be facing to gore ana ba tla wina ba to draw ba yena o shebile ntse ba tla kora ke batla tsa right decision ke batla o maka mtso trend ke batla coach just 1 2 3 like you understand that's why ke re room ya 5% 10 15% banane le ska ba pesha
okay rabanane naki abanane mara no is player you know final whatever sold out stadium 100 million Maria Tav lento leyo will mess up your mind for the first 5 to 10 minutes
not everyone not everyone im sharp for 5-10 minutes unale okay let me just make a typical example la ngo stay to tsabanyana tse dlala basketball korona till today salibadla ball from academy NBA junior NBA leng ngwana lo dlala game be lo fela ntsa tshwile la wa bona like mabadi time out ifana ne half time lento ukuthi kwamele batshele ukuthi dlala in like you sort of like setting the position and everything umuntu ntwana like uzona out mawuqala uthe umuntu athuke kube ngathi you understand because akere ke a jwetsa go batha bathwana una le motho le nefsa a khone dikhama a so thole maybe tsela ya a khone o dikhama down you understand so even like tseba ke tsela maybe ke tswile or something kama mela music ba sharp or if ke tswile ka bua le bobo ang wa bona ampe ya ke ba great bana le motho le ngwa bua le ena ke na ka moditswa ka because ena ntshwa ena neng o nne fela o nesa king le tsholelo re mfetso ke dule ke so ska tsa di mistakes
then umthomfethu hayi nawe yakana mfethu mthotlamela gile yona situation
that's what I'm saying you can say 5 or 10
team it affect the team as a whole
ake ha but what we saying is people they don't digest ntoka utshwana wena or 15 minutes or 10 minutes now tholo na tshwantse ke bo ma 20 to 25 minutes or ke be relaxed ke be sharp mo gaming
that's why really team na lead team is come yeah you should not flow everybody will get at the floor
but how do you address the flow
no satlamela
we address as one flow
Rafi tla rona ba bang ntsha ar push re tla edukisa okay 1-1 that way aku shayi ntse ke ku khothatsa ke o tshela mfethu ar push mfethu re tla edukisa tsa pele you end up nning so entse ra ding le go no e spanetse team se re thabile kaofela
never
tseo di a yehlo
ake ha okay let's say ke shapile ntwe espanetseng team se re thabile nerves di ehlile what if kisha akiso yetsi ntwe tsontseng espanele team already I'm still ke modi nerves tsona tseli
obvious in fact babona obvious la zabona mokudlala amagame afana nedabi vele ama player aba
hyped up babamba bathu
the team before approach a game etshwana le so ba ditjela le player like etshwana la ka yo ngola exam so re ga la bo ma exam paper like obvious una lushuna una lo gae ke study because of what's ba nkere back then we study sheets wa tsaba go etsala eng but then da go thasha fela di page okay sharp on the nerves tsa o etsa jwa lo like what's ke mo fitla la ska leba a o tsho because of nalba ba o lo ngona wa qala wa tsho
a faint that's what I'm saying
I mean like mthonyana tse jwale tlamile wena as an individual tlamile o dile le yona wena personal
but then here's what I'm saying preparation is for exam and whatever just to show my names ukuthi no bala writing but maso balile question 1 section A what you are good to flow now you are flowing
okay
that's
I think Erekebeso I'm just trying to make a typical example let's say multiracial school from Gas right our preparations are not the same as much as ke tshora re tshwana re le batho because of being the environment sharp kinale dideng ya hore let's say from Kokas obviously batho ba ba shebile wena multiracial school let's say time allow lo flow ke bona batho ba lo ke di breadwinner of the family they're not expecting anything from you the only thing they're expecting from you is to pass uqhubeka skolo then we come to this side we expect our passer u change isimo sasendlini you make sure ukuthi uthola ispani you make sure that you feed your family you understand so lezo zinto lezo mfethu sometimes they become overwhelming to a point ukuthi you can't even control yourself njengoba ngisho ukuthi you start zoning out mawubuya you totally forgot ukuthi bocabanga ngani
J-Sharp ngiyayizwa ne. Leyo nto le situation abantu aba-different.
No, ke batla
So,
exactly. We're talking
not
about the
wonke ama-player
difference.
kanje, Joe.
not wonke.
Uyangithola? Singakhuluma nga-1 or 2 or 3 players.
Mara ukusala affect the team. That's what I'm actually
Player
asking.
ngivele lekha yona like face situation yana jwang. But then it's surrounded ki teammates
The positive.
positive.
I understand.
Ah maybe akubona wena ke ga ke tseba pulo teng. Despite o pule o jwang o teng pulo. O tla ngkhothatsa. Ha ke tseba le teng ya one shot. Ke na la confidence eo.
Because
So,
una le ntho e uspanelang. Ska ke tjho wena ke wa tseba pulo teng. Ya deng o yang spanel. You understand? But
ke ska tsho.
yes, uthole okay. O re we beile grand wa bona team spirit. Team spirit ya ba khothatsa batho ne. But it's not enough for others.
That's why shaba makwethu before.
Ke tjho okay, yeah, wa bona kuitjo and everything as I generalize it when if fall under team spirit. You understand? But the thing is team spirit is not enough for me. Or maybe let's say for an example, I had to pray, I forgot to pray, or maybe I had to drink something, I forgot to drink that. No, let's exactly, but it affects that team because you're playing there. Until keep ka di nerves and talk down.
Then you need to manage
Kaofela,
yourself.
exactly. Mafethu. Ke a utlwa ntshwele tjho. Okay, let's say ke manager ka wetsang. There's something that I do. Enketsang hore ke come di nerves ka fatshe. But as soon as ke kena mo gaming, di very exploded. Yeah, like this sharp this guy rockets engine. This guy hold a control. And sometimes let's say for an example, okay, na go ka kheng ke tlo tsena var. Na go ka kheng every time ane ke kena. Ebile ngabona first lineup ne le betere for no ba ne khona o recognize mistake ya ka pele. Di sa soko ba ne first lineup o khona go pick up a game. But what kena second half, phela second half so tsebo ga o kena in the back of head. Ba o kenya because ba batla go etsa span se o qhubekise span. And if Steve utsile ka 50%, I want to know 50%. Sometimes to shy with 70 or 85. You understand? Already there I was like kena. Keep ping. Until qala. And nanso ningthusa anka utla na iswa mpule kona mo tse pick up. Or enging ke ya ka eo. Ke ya kona tse pick up. Anka shantshonya ne grand ya se ke pick up I'm on form. It takes time.
So ilungisa kanjani indaba kaNemthajela?
Hayi ngikhuluma mina I was doing it holistically ukuthi ama player like psychologically ukuthi njengoba sofika kule stage lesi actually sesifikile bacabanga kanjani like how like kwenzakalani engqondweni yabo njengoba thina we quick to say odlala exactly wabona sikake ukuthi decision la inkileng surely kinthwe na anticipate ukuthi ke ka yetsa agcina active in my own
Rona ke defense we are there to judge wabo but then coach
Into-
wa tseba
into-
yena
kanobani le bebi-striker se-Pirates ecourt Erasmus
one ke batlile ke re kutumela
bekathi uyakhumbula esaringa ngayo kudala ukuthi athi ama-podcaster bakubeke ukukhuluma because bakhuluma ngento abangayazi because abekho kule situation mina my answer was you are playing a sports whereby isibukelwa abantu
exactly everyone
you can't say that you are there to judge
you know
yeah
now
uyabona into emnandi
ukuthi abantu bazorate
yabona it's not everyone okhuluma nje ngu-Erasmus right so ukubonisa ukuthi people are different that's what I'm trying to put there and emphasize.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is we already know facts are there. It's okay. But after game, whatever. You just need to manage yourself.
Never regret training. That's why there's that's why Onache Bazama introduce like body I get a therapist or psychologist or whatsoever to understand or player it's with and ling. Don't you think the reason why they're introducing those things, they knowing okay the affecting factors the player the on a daily basis. You understand? So hence Nekisho the last time worry. Ke also wait. Kile mnati kile everything. But as soon as okay, ki step mo featuring ki sharp span but uthola span seo asimo se felang teng tshwantse se sa pass eng but because of mo ke tswang teng le ntse ke di nanang I'm stuck like it's stagnant. That's why most of the time uthola let's say for an example maybe it's one of the factors I don't know. I stand to be corrected. Most of our players they don't make it in Europe. What is the reason? It might be lento le nkhuluma nga environmental because adaptation because and when you more figure endaweni you're strange and you sort of like roaming around you're trying to figure which place or which one to interact with. Kuleso stage leso mangathola let's say for an example iyacaba i-personality kaSimphiwe unjani, she's welcoming and whatsoever. Thola umuntu ufikele ezandleni zikaSimphiwe then you're like uthole lezi esibhedako kweSteve uthole ukuthi mina ngiyahluleka lezi zinto esibhedako ngizwani nazo la ngibuya khona uma uqala ubheda uyangithola ngivele ngibe ready uSteve abheda kushaya ngehlapanyana akushaya egabeni already so ya beef like I told into engisho so exactly so mfethu like lento le bafethu like lento le and then aniyazi this thing is fucking sensitive dog. It's fucking sensitive.
I know,
I never would. This one is cooking.
Okay.
Mentality,
I'm cooking.
I'm a final games. I'm a final nan. Anxiety ihlala lidanja.
Yeah, but bengithi nje besicela nje ukuthi basitshele ukuthi bona bacabangani when it comes to the psychological side of the players mase sifika emaphethelweni we-league. Cela sicommente ndaphansi.
Yenza lo Gavinant. Ngenkathi uzothatha i-league. Yenze. Ikhama ama-player down. Aliya be lanyana le.
Ashaya usutshwa.
99. Iyazi you approach igame crucial. Mthukile yasiyeni. Asibeni nani?
Asinathi.
Sirixini.
Uspanile naye
so dile ngejwalo yasibhalo kanti coach lwena so yogarele mfethu lona walibala ke into sebhalo ukhipha umqondo buamkaona situation hayi uthi
into beshawa umthosha mdisi
intonyana tsenjalo
sadlala team yakhe lezi sibhema igada behlala nje after training ababhema igada kholi amakiki hlala nje
uyabona
singaringi idisk siringini nje
yabona nelona the other thing nale diding le ama documents keep ama episode keep by pirates I think just partner and say because of SD players ahlala from different backgrounds nokusathi uyilona la mwana utothu ohuto so umtsibo like sokucava like ba connected ikatsila ngena tsedi ngantshwa or like police ba tlile ba tsotsi before ba professional player o letse environment one shot that didn't help because of no you get to know each other and then then you asele hlakanse so kuthi okay ule ukenya ke ntonyana tseso ukenya ke ntonyana tseso 8 times ke ntonyana tseso okay sure then ngari implementing as a team ukhone uvaya akulodlala kube on a positive mind ofela imigoli ya rona ke inkiwe
and I think
that's why bondi ya machita eba strong control usabona bu that we might say maybe Tito and China bayalwa after game in even those winning but then asas for in maybe China ubona something ukuthi Tito ayikho necessary lento yenza nje
asisikazanga zabuza
you understand
yo mfana
lambiza
njobo uchesa i-record yeah ama clean sheet now you have to protect
individual brilliance at the same time you're working for the team
you are one shot kutsho mthojwa lona le mindset positive ore mfethu yirespani ari pushe kharafu le piki mfethu letse pakatla dibo
and apa
so galwana yimo feeling ya u phela I remember orla you still rest in peace time you were in to time time we are shinto yona bafethu ke understand ukuthi chumi akusapula nabadlala le mali chumi iproma go fail and what not mara yirespani awuna chumi likhuliki akasipani after na mo go to win and then after let's on total
and why taking to our time here okay I think lona nale and umthelele idenge yore indoda ekhali kwamele imali ifele phakathi yabona le what akile wayithi mfana ethwana le I can tell you into lo ngubona mo for front but ke ska o jwetsa ntse lo I'm going you know as my out you another thing let's say for an example wela o total time ale street le tshwana le bo difference so bona le tshwana le bo difference so la time ale street aqala or time ale mo I understand time ale uphirisa time ale ukhelang toilet outside like ntse ka ofela those illness and everything so lo ga ke di ring because machita ga tsaba so renga so bobo wala ga ka o qongonya o joker atsale ma idle ba valele ekthole and wena di denge utshwa ka apply ngitsosela into ga akusabatla ubua because machita policy yawaza machita disk bafethu ihlalida uyangithola uthi yakhuluma manje ezinye izinto uyazivalela usikhiphi ungaba ubalela umuntu akutshela ukuthi uphulu kanje and ngasikhathi bese ama best buddies sonke ukuthi angazi kanti ongazi
never
yeah so bafethu esidlele kakhulu le nto Mamelodi Sundowns and Richards Bay 10 minutes yo okay badlalile draw badlalile draw
let roll ya naye blessing
mina bengihappy mina
Inform it.
ithema ithi nilini ngade kanjalo
Inform it.
so
Look here.
Pulukwane na izo span
Back to back.
khona iplane lazela lapha kupulukwane yayi beka ibhandi vie
Number 16.
Matuludi.
So
Afethu asingathi bangafaka stadium.
Matuludi captain
number 16 yosikas
number 16
wabangamgayi intonyana angene abalande
matitimela balanda isiya bale kombizo wako tosofuna CV
akusho ukuthi kule
abalande ntwana yami Sundowns
kule shows campaign Soweto bafethu ezasetlek stop askis
mina bafethi
iligi nje kwamele izekhaya sokuthi nje besingafuni ukudliwa
ngikathela ukuthi iligi yePitori
mfethu
mina mfethu ngikathele mina
yo
baba ithatha isingaki
9 yeah kutsho mayitshentshwa iligi itshentshwa ngawo
amaplay PSL wonke amestap awayicabanga
Nawo
bafethu
bazogcina
yabona ko
sebasho
2 or 3
lisithi sarona sawa saSoweto mfethu Soweto derby yayi no yazi ngifuna ukubonisa something no ngifuna ukubonisa something ukuthi lama team lawa ayithu lawo bacanga ukuthi ba compete na phela sebacanga ukuthi intwana encane wawe phela manje Sundowns mayithatha istar ses2 if kuyenzakala yasithatha inkulumo ntwana
yo
that's what I'm trying to show you ukuthi kuzoba lento lokuthi ingasheli ngama team aseSoweto you understand kunalento ukuthi these are small boys ama team abig avela Mamelodi bathosha ka Pretoria ko Soweto they would consider it as a second best
siba Farmers League
wabona
mfethu
handla ke NFC
so like nana ufibele ngimnati enze ba Pirates the only team compete under Sundowns yakhenya la ile nini
point la
yakhenya la ile nini
ithatha 3 or 2 bekumele ama player wonke ashudayo bafethu
so bafethu manibhekile kingethalang is it the structure or is it the players or is it exactly or is it I don't understand because now sonke sikhala ngento eyi1 ukuthi Sundowns hi what are we doing
what are 15 teams doing
that's what I'm asking
you know they are there to maintain status they are there to maintain status
but what are they getting from there
ba maintain status or PSL
okay what are they akere di sponsor di spana if ba spana di sponsor se batla di results league a ge ngopula ke gane ntse re sha position 2 ngata ba re jwetsa ba re threaten or sponsor slow cutter eng mfethu we obtain like position 5 by 7 300 like come on
struggle ga di sponsor and then ba complain or like these 3 teams dina di sponsors more than 10 whatever
but no udula ko PSL let's say udula ko PSL udula loko number 14 number 13 number 12 season after season re batla di results lo re skipper sa rona se gone bona batho bang phela remember let's say for example Kesrick let's say Akhupu I'm just saying hypothetical ungangigwenyi
number 5
yeah I'm just saying so yeah share let's say Akhupu akire ko King is it APC or NFT?
APC Mtsipe.
Yeah.
Foundation to.
Okay, angifuni team ku APC, ngifuna ku NFT. Let's say
NFT.
Yona APC Mtsipe.
Oh, can say one. Yeah, but okay.
Asiku what?
All right, hey, okay, sharp sengiyasho. Ikhesi lithi khuphuke ne. Ikhesi akunamuntu okay sibonile sabacabanyana let's say ikhuphuke. It must also maybe let's say for team esanda ukufika newcomers or underdogs ithi number let's say iqede position 4 already sponsors will be chasing after ilokhuzana but let's say yaba chaser they sign a contract Kesrick in idula number 4 okay Rikstak number 4 ba qualify for the CAF and it will keep a sponsor for the idea because into dula number 5 after season yeah okay what a specific number 6 or number 7 iduthi da sponsor yabona right hayi lemotimile la akuna you understand
una team adina the ambitions or like seasoning e re batla ho etsa
Boskhukhula.
re batla ho achieve e
ayina riding eo
Abanayo.
Ah,
Ke number
mfethu.
1.
no ya mara baceli ba na le yona maybe ya bhayiseseya along the way sika ga bona yona matsa bona
mentality e tshwanang le bo that's why
o bua ka mentality
Yeah, mentality
o ne ke nana o bua ka di-plans
that's why wa bona
Wonke amathimana ama-player.
Eh,
into engisho
no di plan mara
Ama-player.
that's why
bafethu sesidlulile isikhathi
Chiefs, Pirates, Sundowns because of those big three. I bana di plan baziba phela mandate ihlezi teng wa kena coaching ba jwetsa mandate ya uki
phela le for studies se ga tsebo
one time
studies ga tsebo ba ba se tšhelete
a ba tshwetsa tabi
i-studies sigijimisa imali i-business leya i-player iyalithatha let's say for an example i-player ngoba i-Kaizer Chiefs ijwayele vele ikhulisa i-product balihebise phambi kwayo maceda i-player shine ku-studies balikhipha ngemali ebhayo ukuthi i-player laswinisa ini nabafuna ekwazi bafuna imali that's why studies di most of the vital players study lose itseng le team ya team le kageng so shubila o bila hana ka di players tse oh my 9 di batla ke moroka swilos
including
you
when
understand
askanzi
yeah but njani so you cannot just take your vital players and just you understand so you can see which lapho I mechanism yakho it's business related it's not about
Sundowns,
in
they need to do business. They are the business.
exactly
That is why abathengi ma-player.
bayagcina bawathatha
Sasengathi
babulala i-competition
ayo la ga itseba yo
abafethu abesiqala ukuyivala Sundowns ungasithathi isitango ukuzosidelela okay masithathu silethe kithi
okay the predictions
silethe kithi sa
tsa di games
Wednesday asidlali thina.
hayi bayasiphumuza kancane ngicabanga
ayina prediction
man
ngasibi
asidlali
ngasibi
stelis
specific score
Asidlali.
asidlali idlala nini game stelis
ekali
phela mele se
ma kumele ngidlale yeah kumele ngidlale
Asidlali.
oh I get it
Asidlali weekend.
sidlala weekend
Angazi. Hey, asidlali.
okay
yeah kiba what game in and badlala ngicela
Kiba what
ngicela
game in.
ngisho
Nikitotsa ka game ne ndiki 3.6
chips suelele sidlala suelele ne
yeah
chips suelele
mfana wabona
Dr. Mlebela Stadium.
di fixtures tsa setse mfana
a re batlatsi
yeah ke re batla ho bontsha hore ho ya ka nna as a fan nka tjho hore ke di game tsa ka collector di points tsona
oh yeah
but ho ya ka Kaizer Chiefs ke tse banana ba di batla di points but a re tsebe ba lo etsa ko ground so nka se be specific ka taba tsa bo scoring then I'm just going to say win
for chiefs
yeah
Wednesday.
yes
Yeah, nami ngithi win.
chiefs
Angithi bawinile so.
chiefs
yeah izolo vele
mina ngithi izodlala draw
Draw.
okay let's
Yeah,
Mfisa kumelanga amelanga baye ku
yeah I
Sundowns.
understand ukuthi akumelanga badlala draw mara mina ngithi izoba draw
abethu kumele siyile spirit sibele phezulu so gana labantu wenza kanjani
sometimes nepulukwane
let's talk komelize
Sundowns nePolokwane.
so
baqala vapi
Epolokwane.
baqala epulukwane eshiyo
i draw
aka Jabavu Stadium
i draw I draw mfana i draw yazi mfana something bakhulumile ngale nto leyo ukuthi i-Pirates mawungayifaka efieldini encane bekhuluma uMawudi izolo ukahle khomashiyo athi Pirates we know ukuthi Pirates ama player gijimana na uma ngawafaka kule field encane lama player athanda ukugijima so uyovuka seka ngaphandle umremi okhuluma sibilibili nani kusho ukuthi I wouldn't say they're not prepared even though bayashaya i-pitch inspection uyabona lo muntu ukuthi ground incane but because of bathanda ama player yangithola izoba khawati
leader lemisiphathini
ya Richards Bay that's what he said
abale kuthi indlela ngayo le nethi i-pitch idlala i-role
awulu wabona pitch ore inwiseditswe ushabe dikenza ko Cape Town kaofela pitch ba inwisetse
bheka
cause bathi bakata
bheka
speed balls and
bheka
everything
style of play saka CM makangena option azoyiletha license udlala ilong emhlathuzi uthola umremi uzolitrapha kayi-1 plus unokungabi mnandi nge-first touch lithi biskit awu siphumile
okay bafethu hayi bafethu okay hayi Siyayivala bafethu isikhathi sesishayile nomthajela usile ushilo sekayikhulumile.
Lamthathela lo.
Don't forget to come la to this bafethu njengoshilo ukuthi ezibandayo neshisayo ezikhona. Again.
Shout out to Big Z. Shout out to Footman Lee.
Shout out to Putsies as well. Shout out to Tooties Legacies. Shout out
to whoever.
Shout out to the wardrobe.
Whoever you are.
Shout out to the lighting, makeup artists. Zonke lezi zinto, shout out to yonke into. The food department, shout out everything. Makeup artists.
Shout out to Tudis.
Siyanibona bafethu, siyanibona.
Tudis Legacy.
Siyabona Gospect.
Sayaqhubekisa.
Siyabona now lapho Mr. Day Friends.
Shout out to Kifi.
Shout out to everyone.
Shout out to Staff Tudis.
Shout out to Abafethu. Shout out to Nonke bafethu.
Sibabize bonke Odrop, uSims, uBobo, Steve, uPule, uMehluko. Sihamba siya ku makeup the very same thing ngiyangithola. Siya ku food and beverages. Buzwa la kimi.
Big P.
Abasho. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share and comment down there below. Usitshela ukuthi unicabangani ngalento le besikhuluma ngayo vandag. Udissect nathi yayithola lento le. Thank you.
Travis.
Yeah, bafethu subscribe, Shibobo Make bafethu.